Dr. Laura at JH Backcountry Health.
I'm Dr. Tyler, and this is our new hire, Ian. He's going to be a rehab specialist for us in here. We recognize as chiropractors, we do a really good job of getting you through the mobility phase of rehab. We even get to the point where we introduce some of the stability-based exercises, but oftentimes we fall short of taking you all the way through that stabilizing and strengthening phase.
I was going to say, as chiropractors, we're really good at mobilizing. Joint adjusting is mobilizing a joint when it's stuck, it's not moving well. We adjust that, we mobilize that. We work through tight muscles, we get things so that your body moves better. So that's basically the first step. And from there, you want to get to the stability, the strengthening, the forming long-term good patterns. And typically when people come in to our office, they're there for the first visits. You know, their shoulder only goes this far, we get them loosened up. But if they're moving into greater ranges of motion, we want them to be able to do that safely and to be able to go out and not get injured with doing larger ranges of motion. And so that's where somebody like Ian, a trainer, comes in and they can get you set on those good functional movement patterns and give you those exercises to do so that you can continue to do your sport safely.
And we've said from the start, we want to see you more outside of the office than inside of the office. And we have noticed that once we get a patient out of pain, oftentimes they disappear. So having this rehab specialist allows us to take it one step further and ensure that you don't have to come back as frequently. That being said, Ian, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Absolutely. I'm super excited to be a part of the team here at Backcountry Health in Jackson Hole. I've spent both long hours working at a desk, hunched over a keyboard, and long hours playing out in the Teton backcountry, running, hiking, rock climbing, skiing, etc. So I'm really familiar with the aches and pains that a lot of people in the community are experiencing from all of that activity. And I'm really excited to be here and help Dr. Laura and Dr. Tyler get you pain-free and moving well out in the backcountry on all of your activities.